This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Apple Maps on the web in your browser. As of the publishing of this video, Apple has released a beta version of Apple Maps, and it has only been available on your iPhone, iPad, or as an app on a Mac, but now you can use it in a web browser just like Google Maps. And that website is beta.maps.apple.com. And when you open it, you will get a map close to your area. So once you are there on beta.maps.apple.com, you can search for different things. So I'm going to put Madison Square Garden, and I'm going to ask for directions from the Empire State Building. So now you can explore different areas, you can get directions and all of that in your web browser, just like you would do in Google Maps. But you can do this in Apple Maps. So remember, that website is beta.maps.apple.com, and I'm pretty sure when this becomes officially available, they'll take that beta off and you will be able to use Apple Maps in your browser, just like Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.